Good day, faith friends! Our gospel for today is according to John chapter 21 verses 15 to 19. And it describes Jesus' appearance to Peter after the resurrection and his questioning of Peter's love. Our dear friends, Simon Peter was restored by the love of Jesus. Ilang beses ba nating itinatwa ang Panginoon? Marahil, hindi lamang 3 beses. O posibleng hindi na din natin mabilang. Ganon din, hindi na din natin mabilang ang paulit-ulit na pagbabalik ng Diyos sa atin sa Kanyang pag-ibig. Pero isa lamang ang hinihiling ng ating Panginoon matapos niya tayong laging ibalik sa Kanyang pag-ibig. At ano iyon? Ito ay ang pagmamahal natin sa ating kapwa ng gaya ng pagmamahal natin sa ating sarili. Lagi po nating tatandaan, there is the face of Jesus of all His beloved. Sa lahat ng minamahal ni Jesus, naroon po ang kanyang mukha. Tandaan mo, you have restored by the love of Jesus. No matter of how many times you fail, but the Lord will always restore us. Ibabalik tayo ng Panginoon sa Kanyang pag-ibig. There could be no more beautiful feeling than that. Knowing that we have restored and we have been challenged to share that love that we receive to our brothers and sisters. To know more about the Gospels, just visit the www.faithbook.ph. And that would be all. Thank you and God first!